Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Volkswagen Amarok Highline dual cab ute, stock reference number 5508. This shape runs from the 12th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2016. It has a CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. CDCA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, bonnet appears to have no damage, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand taillight, tidy rear bumper bar, tailgate has only 3 small dents, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right-hand taillight, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right guard appears to have no damage, less flare, right power door mirror, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Manual type centre console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, touchscreen single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, owner's manual, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.